How to join or sign up on Threads. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can join or sign up on the Threads app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now you have to understand, if you don't know what Threads is basically an Instagram additional app that is already available on the Play Store. So it means that if you have Instagram, you can use Threads. If you don't have Instagram, you cannot use Threads. It's just like an additional module to the already available Instagram app. And first of all, I want you to make sure that you've actually already downloaded, which I'm assuming you have. You can simply head over to your Play Store, search for the Threads application, tap on the install button, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then install them respectively. The another thing that I want you to understand here is that you don't really need an independent account to create a Threads account, which means that as long as you have your Instagram account, you can always sign up using your Instagram account. You don't need a separate email address, you don't need a separate phone number, separate Google account, or anything as such. Once you have downloaded the Threads app, so let us wait until the installation process has actually been completed for the Threads app. So once you've downloaded the Threads app, just tap the open button. As and when you open it up, if you're logged in on Instagram, it will say you just simply log in with Instagram here. When you tap on it, your Instagram account will be successfully logged in and your Threads account will be logged in as well. This way you can sign up or join Threads. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.